Hi guys, welcome everybody. And today we are gonna make an announcement, and it is very important. So I will do it before starting the video. We got three representatives for AK.Inc. in this month of May, and their names are as follows: Mr. Animesh will represent AK.Inc. from Barakpur. Mr. Shiva will do it from Shiliguri, and Miss Shubhoshri is responsible for all of West Bengal. So whoever wants to join us, they can contact them all in our FB page. So it is necessary that you know where our group exists. It is in Facebook ak.inc. So all of you guys, please go in the group and check all the details and correct to us so that we can guide you and we can start our classes as soon as possible. So now today I'll start with today's topic. So today's topic is related to currency, which is my subject. So we'll talk about currency like this. First of all, in my previous video I discussed about what is money. Money is just a piece of paper which has been signed by the government to make it authorized for the people to use it in the medium of exchange for buying the goods and making their businesses happen. For what is the money required for? We never ask these type of questions, and that is why my channel is in front of you to ask these kind of questions and to make you know that these kind of questions are very important. They might sound like very simple questions, but these are important. That what is money? Money is just a piece of paper, was just a piece of paper till 1700 BC to 2020. Very relatable term. Paper money. It was invented by China and been used by the whole world. um, Paper money is having very large history, so we cannot describe it in this video. We'll shorten the topic and we'll come on the latest topic which I talked about in my previous video too. It was about CBDC, central banks digital currencies. So central bank digital currencies are actually um, money forms which are in a digital way. So all of the individual citizens who are being applying for digital currency in China, they are being required for an ID proof. Yes guys, in China is the first country to launch CBDC, and they were in this program from 24th of March 2020. We can see in this photo properly. 11th March 2020 corona outbreak was announced, and within 24 March 2020 China announced the digital currency. So there rises one question, that was corona a game plan? Because if we see it from my perspective, what I saw is in 11th March 2020 outbreak of COVID-19 happened, and within 24 March 2020 China announced its digital currency. So if an outbreak happens, if a pandemic happens, no one is able to take any step, and within this year China is holding Olympics, and they can distribute their new form of money to the world. And once the money is supplied, the world is moving towards the digital money. So before knowing what is digital money, we'll talk about CBDC more, and we'll know about more what is digital money first. Then we'll talk about what is CBDC. Digital money has been presented by all the known countries all over the world. First one is China, as I mentioned earlier. The second one is US, which mentioned digital dollar on 29th March 2020. 29th March 2020, US mentioned digital dollar in three of its bills, and soon on 1st April, on 21st April, on 11th May, on 6th April, all the other countries just followed up for what? For the digital money. If the digital money is not important, then why are these countries following? The new form of money now, many people may ask, what is the use of digital money in today's society and how it will help us, I don't know how it will help us, but I can say it, how will it help government. But for that you need to comment and let me know what should I do. And first is we'll continue with CBDC. Central banks digital currencies will work exactly like all the decentral currencies and banks there. Decentral currencies are actually electrical money, and many people will understand when I say Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually it is being presented like an asset. Now many people will ask me what is an asset, so I'll make an elaborated video next time. What is an asset? So let me explain you in short. An asset is a thing in which you put your money, and that money is safe. Like in land, you buy a land and land is at its place. It cannot be just expensed. It cannot get out of stock. Which you buy it is yours. So it is a small trial of mine to explain what do I understand by asset. So what do you understand by asset? Please let us know. And now we are going to talk about what is CBDC. Central bank's digital currency is working on the prospectus of all the decentral currencies, like how the Pi currency works, how the other currency works. They are following the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain technology is taking the banking sector towards a new direction where the bank is going to launch the digital money to the public, and they are going to make announce that paper money is no more valuable. So people can no more use the paper money, and the launch of digital money is going to soon come in between us, and we will all have to you know we will all have to move on with digital money. There will no be other option, and I'll discuss this point in the next video, that if money will be changed from paper to digital, what effects will be faced by the society. Yes guys, society, we are having all the elaborated discussions on all these topics too, and I'll try to cover up these war section too in my next video, on where we'll talk about money and war, these both the topics. Before I move on, I'll just talk about corona. This is not a topic to talk about, cause this made a chaos and very much harm to the public. And I would just like to conclude by saying that China is a biological weapon which is made by China and spread in the world to launch digital money. This is what I'll say. And to conclude, what do I understand by biological war? See friends, any kind of virus, any kind of bacteria, any kind of insect or fungi which is living organism, or biological toxin, or biological weapon, they can cause pandemic. I read it in the Google yesterday or day before yesterday. So if a virus is causing pandemic, it is a biological weapon. So corona caused pandemic all over the world, and it is being launched by China, and I believe it is being launched for the launch of digital money to the whole world. What do you people think? Please comment and let me know, and please subscribe the channel for all the latest updates, and we will contact you soon on this channel as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much, and love you all, and so much thank you for supporting my channel, supporting my videos, and supporting me itself and my team. Welcome us all, and we'll lead a better tomorrow with you. And we hope that we make our future more great, more knowledgeable, and we can spread knowledge all over the globe. We can make humans close to each other um, like never before. We want to do some good, we want to spread some good, and we need all of your help so that you all can help us to do good to everybody. Thank you so much. Namaste.